Hi everyone, how is it going? It's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Welcome back to the channel. If it's the first time you're here on this channel, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button right below there and make sure while you're at it you turn on the notification bell, because once I do upload any videos, you're one of the first persons to be notified about that. And also, while you're there, make sure you go ahead and just click on that thumbs up button, because guys, it is free. It is totally free, and it is okay for you to go ahead and hit like on this video already. Yes, guys, today we are going to be doing another budget. So you're going to be budgeting with me. But guess what? It's not going to be very long. It is going to be a short budget today. Also, I should let you know what I am going to be budget today. It is inclusive of what I was short the last time. Okay? So if you did not see that, I'm going to be linking the video right up top here so you're able to see exactly what I'm talking about. All right? So in today's video, we are going to be budgeting for, I'm going to just jump right ahead, jump into it, guys, because I know you want to go ahead and watch my other videos which are in the playlist. So we are going to be jumping into our final budget for the month of February. Guys, it was my first time budgeting, and this month it taught me a lot of things, and I am very grateful for it. And I really and truly hope that there are persons who do see these videos and you take a leap at doing the budget, because it have really helped, and I have seen it on my statements as well that I have been spending way less. It takes a lot of discipline, and trust me, it's a lot of work. And for me, who cannot save, I am very much appreciative of this, where I actually did it for an entire month. So let's just jump right into this. So it's our final week, and it is $697 that we are going to be budgeting this week. All right, and then for bills, I am going to be doing my rent, and my rent, I am going to be paying this for the month of March. All right, so let me put this right here. And also, what I am going to be doing is, I am not sure as yet, but I want to get a head start on my Uber or my taxi. So I am going to be budgeting $102 for that. All right, so yeah, this is what I am going to be doing this time around. I'm going to be putting the 102, and this is basically just to start me off for the month of March. All right, so it is 697 minus 515. So that's, oh, what did I do? What did I do? 697 minus 515. Oh yeah, it is correct. All right, so that left 182, and then I'm going to list the 102 for the taxi or the Uber. So that is going to leave me with $80. So I am going to put $80 here, and then of course the 515 plus the 102, that is 617. All right, and then so I have $80 left over, and this $80 now, what I am going to be doing, I am not going to be doing anything for sinking funds. All right, so I'm going to come over here now to savings, and for savings I am going to be starting with $80. For the $80, I'm going to go ahead and I am just going to drop that in the, or should I split it up? Let me see something, guys. I could split it up, since I have both the 1K and the 100 envelope here. I could say 80 minus 25. Yeah, so I'm gonna split it up, guys. So I'm gonna put 55 in the 100 envelope, and then I'm going to put 25 in the 1K. All right, so that should be 55 plus 25. That's $80. All right, and that would bring me down to zero. All right, so that was it, guys. Pretty nice and easy and simple. Yes, so the total is 697, and I am budgeting 515 for rent and Uber. It's gonna be 102, so that is a total of 617. Leave me with $80. So I'm gonna bring that over to my savings challenge because I did not put anything into sinking funds. So the 80 here at the savings challenge, I'm going to be putting 55 in the 100 envelope, and then in the 1K savings, I'm going to put 25, and that is $80. So that's pretty nice and easy and simple. I am so happy I got a chance to do this with you guys, and I hope you also enjoyed being here with me for the month of February. I really and truly enjoyed being here with you all, and I thank you as always for holding me accountable. I appreciate it very much. And for those of you who have not yet started your savings, it's not too late for you to start. So you can go ahead and jump on that. All right. So, guys, also I should remind you that come March, I am going to be using my new planner. So you will be seeing me pulling out that planner, and also I have something new which I am going to be adding to my videos as well. You're going to see that come in March. All right, and also I should let you know, someone had asked, it's Cadmus World. He had asked how much I actually spent. Well, not how much I spent, but what I really spent most on. So I am going to be putting together an expense um thing to show you exactly how much I spent, because it's right here. I have it all written down. Every day I wrote down how much I spent. So I'm going to be putting together something for you so you can see what my monthly expenses were and what I spent most on, and if I went over what I actually made, and to see if my savings actually match up with what is left. All right. Yes, guys, so that is basically it for this video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment area. If this is inspiring you as well, let me know in the comment area. All right, so that's it for me for today. I'm your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying peace, take care, and walk good. Bye. Bye. Bye.